¿Qué pasa, Mookie? ¿Qué pasa?
Aloha and mahalo. This episode we're going to learn how to make an Ann Sheridan cocktail. We also have best tropical destination stories, Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're also going to have a Tiki drink, a shark's tooth cocktail from Trader Vic's, right here on Chappy's Tiki Bar. So come have a drink with me at my Tiki Bar in my basement. Now, if you can't make it to my basement, which is located in Calgary, Alberta, Chappy's Tiki Bar has a second location, a little place I like to call the internet. So sit back, relax, and let me pour you a drink.
Aloha, welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. We got a great show coming up. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's got her sombrero picked out, and we're going to have chicken tacos out by the lake. First up, we're going to make an Ann Sheridan cocktail. But before that, we got best tropical destination stories. So this is Mookie's cue, so she can go summon the tiki drums, and I'll tell you my best tropical destination story for this week. So go on, Mookie. Go. Mookie, stand down. No, Mookie, no. Mookie, you knock it off. Mookie, stop it. Mookie.
Let go, Mookie. Let go. Mookie. No, Mookie.
Sorry about that. Mookie and I just had some creative differences. We worked it out. Mookie, you're paying for that. All right, so we're going to do best tropical destination stories. Remember to send your best tropical destination story to chappinesstikibар@yahoo.com. We'll do another quick one from my cruise ship days. So this one takes us to St. Maartin in the Caribbean. So we're on this excursion in St. Maartin where we were on these racing yachts, the same kind they do in the America's Cup. And basically the gist of it is you pay to go on, and you get to be the crew, and they show you how to race these yachts out on the ocean in the beautiful Caribbean waters. So I have a picture here. So I was on the True North Canada. It was just complete coincidence that it was a Canadian ship, and I am Canadian. So that is my cabin mate, Pete the Meat. There I am. And that's my friend Cheryl. So basically we were on board doing the crew stuff. They were showing us how to do it. And Cheryl was manning the rope to get the sail up. The guy running the tour, who was actually a real crew member on the vessel. So she was letting the rope go. He was a South African guy. I'm not going to do the accent, but he goes, "Okay, love, give me another 6 inches." And she lets the rope out. And then his line was, "Hey, love, somebody's been lying to you. That's not 6 inches." So that's my best tropical destination story from St. Maartin on the True North Canada racing yacht. All right, so coming up next, I'm going to have a little chat with Mookie. I'm going to give her a little attitude adjustment, and she's going to be back at the bar, and we're going to make an Ann Sheridan cocktail. So swipe it forward. First up, I'm going to make an Ann Sheridan. I have my trusty bartender's guide. So it says Ann Sheridan cocktail. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/3 ounce of orange curacao, and 2/3 ounce of white rum. So of course, Ann Sheridan is a famous actress. All right, it says Ann Sheridan was an American actress and singer. She worked regularly, first in film and later in television from 1934 until her death. Notable roles include San Quentin, 1937 with Pat O'Brien and Humphrey Bogart. Angels with Dirty Faces, 1938 with James Cagney and Bogart. Mookie, you're an angel with a dirty face. The Drive by Night, 1940 with George Raft and Bogart. King's Row, 1942 with Ronald Reagan. Nora Prentice, 1947. And I Was a Male War Bride, 1949 with Cary Grant. All right, so we're going to make an Ann Sheridan. A little bit ice, the white rum,
The bartender guide called for orange curacao. I have Cointreau as a substitute. It is an orange liqueur. And then lime juice. And then I'm just going to add some orange bitters just because I paid $26 for orange bitters and I never get to use it. So this will make it a little bit more orangey. So we'll give that a shaky. And into the martini glass it goes. I have a nice lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's an Ann Sheridan. We're going to head out to Appies with Chappy by the lake for those chicken tacos. But first up, Mookie and I are a little peckish. I've been craving some of that Greek steakhouse type pizza. You know, the kind where it is so greasy. The grease on the top, when it gets hot, it makes the cheese crispy on the top. So I'm going to give Spiros a try right here in Calgary. Mookie and I are just going to head out and we're going to go get some takeout and bring it back to the bar. And we'll have some Spiros Greek style pizza. It's coming right up. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Welcome to another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Mookie's insisted on wearing her sombrero, so that means one thing. We're going to do some Mexican food. I got some chicken street tacos. They're corn tortillas I threw on the barbecue, little chicken, little pico de gallo, and some shredded cheese. So we need a drink to go with our chicken tacos. I got my trusty Tiki mug. We're going to make a shark's tooth. 2 ounces of lemon. And then I have some fresh lime. 2 ounces of fresh lime. Oh, we're going to add some ice to that. All right, and a teaspoon of grenadine. It's going to make it red. I guess that's the shark's tooth has blood on it. Then we got Captain Morgan's dark rum. 1 ounce. ¿Qué pasa, Mookie? ¿Qué pasa? All right, Mookie's going to run for the border. An ounce of Captain Morgan's, and then I got a nice Cuban aged rum. 1 ounce of Havana Club Añejo. And then we're going to finish it off with some club soda. With a lime wedge. And that is a shark's tooth to go with my chicken street tacos. Oh, Mookie's at immigration now. She's been stopped. Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and please hit the subscribe button. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.